Hello guys, welcome to the Parrot Puzzler. It is, I don't know what the date is, 20th of October? I think it is. Anyway, we're a week away from half term, which is cool. And it's when the clocks change as well as Halloween. It's also National Sausage Week in half term. So we are celebrating the sausage. And I love celebrating sausage. So we've got lots of different sausage specials here. That's hard to say. We buy all of our sausages from Proctor's in Ipswich. I don't know if you know the Walk in Ipswich town centre. They've got a shop down there, but they've been making sausages for like 30 years or more. Fantastic sausages. We've got lots of different sausages: chorizos, bratwurst, Cumberland rings. Lots of them are gluten-free. What else have we got coming up? There's like sort of salamis and things like that for starters. There's lots of different sausage things. Anyway, half term week, come and see us if you like sausage. Perfect. Also this week, on Friday night, I was at the Market Hall in Saxmundham. We hosted a quiz there for, what was it? IP17 Good Neighbours. They do a fantastic job within the community. They do so much more than I thought they did. And there's lots more people involved than I thought there was, which is, it's good that there's lots of people involved, but obviously there's never enough people involved with something like that, because it's all done voluntarily. So yeah, we hosted a quiz there. There was about 80 people in the Market Hall. So if you came along, thank you very much. And if you came along, it's fair to say, if you're watching now, you're going to do pretty well, because I'm using the last round of that quiz today. Because, well, time. I just don't have enough time. Oh, and that means I don't have a cryptic conundrum. Rubbish. Anyway, let's get into the quiz. Okay, so question 1. The comic and cartoon Asterix and Obelix originated from which country? Question 2. In which soap would you have found Jack and Vera Duckworth? Question 3. In UK Monopoly, what colour property is Fleet Street? Question 4. Which football team do the fans call the Black Cats? Question 5. Entomology is the study of what? I think we had that question a couple of weeks ago. Anyway, you'll get it right then. Question 6. The TV show Gavin and Stacey is set in Wales and which English county? Question 7. Who was captain of the England football team when they won the World Cup in 1966? Question 8. Oliver Queen is better known as which DC comic book hero? Question 9. Typically, what shape is a bundt cake? Bundt cake. Question 10. In which decade of the 1900s was Marmite invented? Love a bit of Marmite. Do they make Marmite sausages? Oh, that is a thing. Oh, my mouth is watering just thinking about it. Delicious. Question 11. Beef stroganoff originated from which country? Question 12. Who was the author of the book Journey to the Centre of the Earth? Question 13. In the X-Files, what were Mulder and Scully's first names? Question 14. What is 6 cubed? You might have to pause it, do the maths. Question 15. In delivery companies, what does FedEx stand for? Question 16. Harare is the capital of which African country? Question 17. How many red and white stripes are on the US flag? Question 18. In the movie Home Alone, where does the family go on holiday when Kevin is left at home? Question 19. Who had a hit with Devil Woman in 1976? And question 20. Cartography is the study of and making of what? And that is it. That is your 20 questions, all done and dusted. So Christmas, I know I talk about this every week now, but it's soon upon us. It's less than 10 weeks away. Christmas Day, we are fully booked now. We can add people to a waiting list. Those of you that are booked, I will be calling you maybe next week to collect money and orders and what have you. Christmas parties though, we've still got lots of space. Lots of parties have come in. But we do them every day apart from a Sunday from I think the 20th of November up until the 23rd of December. So there's plenty of time. And yeah, we're getting bookings for those nearly every day as well, which is really cool. So thank you very much. And yeah, we've still got our steak frites deal going. And on a Tuesday and a Wednesday lunchtime, you get 25% off main courses. So we've got lots going on. Of course, that's what we do. We're probably going to look a bit spooky for Halloween, for half-term week as well, which is also sausage week, don't forget. Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm not going to tell you anything else. I'm going to tell the answers. Let's do the answers. Okay, so let's get into the answers. Question 1. The comic and cartoon Asterix and Obelix originated from which country? It's France. Question 2. In which soap would you have found Jack and Vera Duckworth? Coronation Street. Question 3. In the UK Monopoly, what colour is Fleet Street? It's red. Question 4. Which football team do fans call the Black Cats? It's Sunderland. Question 5. Entomology is the study of what? It's insects. Question 6. The TV show Gavin and Stacey is set in Wales and which English county? It's Essex. Question 7. Who was captain of the England football team before they won the World Cup? No, when they won the World Cup. In 1966, it was Bobby Moore. Question 8. Oliver Queen is better known as which DC comic book hero? It's Green Arrow. Question 9. Typically, what shape is a bundt cake? So it's a ring, donut shaped, round with a hole in the middle, that sort of thing. Question 10. In which decade of the 1900s was Marmite invented? It was in the noughties. I can't get Marmite sausages out of my head now. I don't know why this isn't a thing. I love Marmite, and every now and again I will tweet Unilever, who make Marmite, and Hellmann's, because I made a thing years and years ago, Marmite mayonnaise. It's absolutely stunning, and I don't know why they don't make it. They have to do it. It's delicious. I love Marmite. Anyway, let's get back to the answers. Question 11. Beef stroganoff originated from which country? It's Russia. Question 12. Who was the author of the book Journey to the Centre of the Earth? It was Jules Verne. Question 13. In the X-Files, what were Mulder and Scully's first name? It was Fox and Dana. Question 14. What is 6 cubed? It's 216. Question 15. In delivery companies, what does FedEx stand for? It's Federal Express. Question 16. Harare is the capital of which African country? It's Zimbabwe. Question 17. How many red and white stripes are on the US flag? There are 13 altogether. Question 18. In the movie Home Alone, where does the family go on holiday when Kevin is left at home? It's Paris. Question 19. Who had a hit with Devil Woman in 1976? It was Cliff Richard. And question 20. Cartography is the study and making of what? It's of maps. That is your 20 questions, all done and dusted. Yeah, they're done. Don't forget, whilst you're here on YouTube, leave your scores and comments below, please. You can watch another video up here. You can click up here and subscribe. Yeah, please, it all helps. The channel's been doing pretty all right for the last few weeks. So yeah, please share with your friends as well. it helps. I mean, I don't get anything from this, but it's nice. It's nice that we're getting more viewers every week, so that's cool. Anyway, that's it from me, and I'll be back next week. I'll see you later. Cheers. Goodbye.